Hello, lovely viewers.
Welcome back to Dav Facts Channel.
Today, we're diving into the world of flavors with a dish that's not only incredibly delicious but also packed with health benefits: creamy chicken and mushroom pasta. Before we jump into the recipe, let's talk about why this dish is not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a boon for your health. Chicken provides us with a good source of lean protein, essential for muscle repair and growth. Mushrooms, on the other hand, are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, which boost our immune system and promote overall health. To make this delectable dish, you'll need 250 grams of pasta, your choice, 2 chicken breasts, diced, 200 grams mushrooms, sliced, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 onion, finely chopped, 1 cup of heavy cream, 1/2 cup of chicken broth, salt and pepper to taste, grated Parmesan cheese for garnish, fresh parsley for garnish. Start by cooking your pasta according to package instructions. In a separate pan, sauté the diced chicken until it's cooked through, then add in the mushrooms, garlic, and onions. Cook until the vegetables are tender and fragrant. Next, pour in the heavy cream and chicken broth, and let it simmer until the sauce thickens slightly. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Once your pasta is cooked, drain it and add it to the creamy chicken and mushroom sauce. Give it a good toss until everything is well coated. And voila! Your creamy chicken and mushroom pasta is ready to be served. Garnish with some grated Parmesan cheese and fresh parsley for that extra flavor. But before we dig in, let's remember the importance of moderation. While this dish is nutritious and delicious, it's essential to enjoy it in moderation. Overeating anything, even the healthiest of meals, can have negative effects on our bodies. Absolutely divine. Remember, folks, eating well is just one part of living a healthy lifestyle. Don't forget to incorporate exercise, stay hydrated, and get plenty of rest for overall well-being. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious and healthy recipes. Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, and keep on cooking. And as always, eat well, live well.